Hey there, I'm Dave Doggett, and welcome to this series of videos in my channel. I've been thinking I wanted to create a new series of videos for my YouTube channel, and the influencers tell you, think of something you're passionate about. Well, I've got a few things that I'm passionate about, but I started to think what would be of real value to a watcher, a viewer of this video and of this channel. And one of the things that I've become pretty proficient with in the last few years is buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm sure there's all kinds of videos out there that share a lot of these tips, but I want to share from my unique perspective, how to find a good deal. What is truly a good deal? Buyer beware scams, red flags that pop up that are definitely scams right out of the gate that you can just ignore and move along and save yourself a lot of time and potentially money. What is a good priced item? What to watch for in a listing that, can be a red flag that perhaps the seller isn't being totally honest. Just because I look around my office here and I have almost everything that I can see has been a Facebook Marketplace purchase. I'm holding an iPad Pro that is still a perfectly good device. That's another thing I'll be talking about. A lot of this equipment that influencers make you think you have to have, you don't actually have to have. This is probably a 4 going on 5-year-old piece of equipment, and it works absolutely perfectly fine. This DJI drone was a Facebook Marketplace deal. Again, a really good deal. Even down to these Powerbeat Pros that I use all the time for my audio editing. When I'm not doing videos like these, I'm producing sales videos. That's my main business. I'll put a link in the description as well in case you're in need of a good sales video. Almost everything I see looking around here. I found a couple GoPros. Again, these are not the latest GoPros. These are GoPro Hero 7s as of the time of this video. These are probably pushing, 4 or 5 years old and still a very good camera. My 32-inch Dell monitor, which, has a retail price of over $1,000. Even a good deal, before I get too far in here. I'm located in Canada, so I'll try and post the US equivalent price on the screen when I'm throwing these prices out, because if you're in the States and you're thinking $1,000, that's a crazy price. It's quite a bit different here. So, but that monitor, even a good deal secondhand would be, $750, $800. I picked it up for $400. And, so those are some of the things I know of value that I can share in this channel. I'm going to be talking about definite red flags when you're inquiring about an item, or when somebody immediately inquires with an item that you just posted. I know lately there's a couple things I posted. I've been helping my father. I've been selling a lot of things for my father lately because my mother is now in a nursing home, and my father needs to downsize and move out of his apartment. So I've been selling a lot of items for him, and it's worked out really well, because even prior to that, I have a really good Facebook Marketplace rating, which that alone can give you some priorities when it comes to when you're posting items. So, so I've learned a lot before and after helping my father sell these items, but I'm regularly doing this and regularly using Marketplace. So there's all kinds of topics I've come across and I've made notes of that I'm going to share. So that is what I'm going to do in this series of videos. So I hope this, you find this of value. And if you do, and you want to make sure that you you're notified when the new episodes come out, just click the like and subscribe button below this video, leave a comment. I would love to, hear any questions or concerns that you have with regards to Facebook Marketplace. And it doesn't have to be just Facebook Marketplace, but that is where I'm doing the bulk of my buying and selling. So this is the intro video for this series. So that's about it for this one. I look forward to having you on the next one. And until then, stay safe online with your buying and selling.